disaster, swn i ddweud. Dwi byth yn gwestiynu hogia fi, ond o hwnna heddiw yn un byd llai na DISGRACE. So maen nhw angen mynd adre heno, sbio ar y hynna'n, achos lle ni'n siarad tactics a sharps, formation, a dim fel yn byd sa, da chi'n dangos y desire a'r willingness na i guro'ch individuals o flaen chi. So, na, miles off it heddiw ag maen nhw'n gorfod cymryd y responsibility na.
Ian, am fuddigoliaeth ac am berfformiad?
Ie, ni angen 3 pwynt i dechrau bant yr ail ran. Lle dda i wneud e.
Perfformiad gorau'r tymor yma, sa chi'n deud?
Ie, mae fel anna. Mae fe'n anodd o fan hyn yn erbyn Caernarfon, ond i fod yn deg oedd boys. Pob un di boys shift mewn i ennill 2-0 a llech yn an. Mae'n wych. 3
points takes you within 3 points of Caernarfon, and moving up the table, it's a distinct possibility.
Yeah, of course, we want to win every game if we can. Just because we're in the top half, we're not going to just roll out and think, right, we're in the playoffs. We want to be as high as we can. And on the performances like that, we got a chance.
A bob dim oedd gen y Barri nath chwarae'n dda am rai chi gyfadda?
Oedd, a da chi'n gwybod bod chi'n mynd i gael gêm anodd yn y byn Barri, maen nhw'n well organised, maen nhw'n lot o egni, a dyna sy'n disappointing i fi heddiw, maen nhw wedi bod isio fo fwy na ni, a lle ddim digwydd mewn gêm sadra i ni. Di fans ni mynydd yna, a mae rhaid o fod newid.
And Andy, that performance after what you've heard about Elliot Richards goes to him?
Yeah, absolutely. The club are completely behind him. Our thoughts are with him. As I said, the club and the players are completely for Elliot now, and we just got to wish him all the best, and hopefully he'll come through it.